Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have the iPad Air and of course it applies to any iPad. That's the Pros, the Airs, the Minis, or of course any other iPad that you might have. And today I'm going to show you to make your icons on your home screen larger. Now of course you can see here that the icons on the home screen, they're actually relative. So for example, the ones on the dock look relatively more pronounced because they're up kind of up in your face. But of course the ones that are on the home screen itself, on the main screen, they do look just small, but in case you need them to be larger, it can be done easily. All right, so this is how to make these icons larger by default once they touch the home screen. So what you're going to do is go to your settings. Once you're in your settings, as seen here guys, you're going to go down and you're going to go to home screen and library, and of course here choose the option on home screen at the top that says use larger icons. So by using larger icons, what we're going to do is to make these icons much larger. So there we go, we turn them on. Once you go to the home screen, you'll notice that the icons are much larger. They're much more similar to the ones on the dock. As you can see here, they're more pronounced and they're larger, especially for those who might be having problems seeing the text and seeing the icon themselves. This makes them much larger. All right, so this is how to improve them in terms of size. So you can always go back, go to home screen and app library, turn off the feature if you're not using it. And of course, if I swipe up, you'll notice they're much smaller. So before they were at least roughly twice their size once this feature is turned on. Hope that was useful and see you in the next one, guys. Bye.